Good afternoon. I'm Pat. This is my friend Danielle. Today we're going to make soup, vegetable soup, and we're going to show you how it's done. We're going to chop vegetables and stir them up, saute them, and then add water, bouillon cube, and the rest of the ingredients, vegetables.
Danielle, tell me something about yourself.
Hey, I'm Danielle. I'm camped right across the street from these guys in my Red Pro Master. Pat's been so kind and so generous to have been feeding us and providing us with warm biscuits and tangerines and all kinds of yummy food. So it's nice to finally be in the kitchen with you and get to learn some of these recipes and hopefully recreate them myself.
Great, I like that. Go.
I'm going to light my fire here under my skillet, under my pot, get it warm so I can saute the vegetables. And I'm going to start with the onion first. I'm going to put some oil.
That's so cool.
About a tablespoon or two of oil. I'm using olive oil. I'm going to get my trusty cleaver out. I don't have my Rachel Ray scrap bowl, so I'm going to use a hefty trash bag.
Well, we are camping.
We are camping.
We are camping.
So we make do. It's compromise.
Can I do anything?
Not yet. You might want to unwrap that one. And listen to that sizzle.
Are you cooking?
We're cooking.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. We only added onions.
That's a secret.
We're going to have people.
If you want to draw attention or get everybody in the park to bring out their little cooker or grill, you just take some onions and saute them.
Oh, that's a secret.
That's a secret.
Yeah. And I'm chopping up bell pepper, yellow, add a little color. I tell you what you can do. You can stir.
Here.
Huh? Probably wouldn't hurt.
The olive oil is behind you there.
Now I'm chopping red pepper. This in Louisiana is called a trinity. Onion, bell pepper, and red pepper. Celery.
Thank you.
And then if you add garlic, it's called the poke.
Okay. Well, I think we'll stay away from the poke today.
So how long have you been making these campfire meals?
Since we've been camping? Well, actually before that, while we had our house.
Yeah.
Nice.
We always had a outdoor kitchen.
Oh, that's nice.
And with the outdoor kitchen, guess who does a lot of the cooking?
At the last place we came from, we had pavers, and around the pavers we had a grill like this, but bigger, and then we had a 2-burner stove that was a jet engine. It had a lot of power to it.
Okay.
We were cooking out there all the time. Never cooked inside the RV.
Wow, that's amazing.
Now I'm going to cut celery. That Hugh was so glad to give me.
Yeah, I noticed he coughed it up quick.
I
I know. I was like, no soup for you, Hugh. And he's like, wait, I got celery.
Come on, we're running live, video and audio. So anything you say, can, may, will be used against you.
Got it.
Yeah, the other one always has.
Celery going in.
Celery going in. Good, good. Good.
Yeah, it smells so good.
And now I'm going to add a little bit of my house seasoning. This is Paula's.
Who is this?
Paula's is made of salt, garlic powder, and
Tell me why
black
you're not
pepper.
supposed to be out yet.
Ooh, that sounds so yummy.
I escaped just for the RTR.
Well, we used to be members of
So how much would you say that was that you just added in? Like a
Probably
teaspoon?
2 teaspoons, maybe, or two teaspoons, maybe 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
And then I'm going to add a little bit of
I
lemon
just
pepper.
wanted to watch those.
Oh, come on in. We're running. I need to get back with it.
Okay.
Oh, interesting. Why do you cut those in half?
It's easier to unwrap. Now I'm doing bouillon cube.
You may need some more olive oil.
Okay. That takes care of the seasoning.
Yeah, whichever way you want to go. The other thing you're probably going to need some water wherever your picture is.
Do you pour rice in this?
We are.
Danielle, we make another version of this. If you've got it, throw it in.
Oh, interesting.
I'm going to add about half a cup of rice.
That's the
Wow.
macaroni salad. Absolutely, go for
So
it.
we're gonna stick a little.
Stick it a little. I want to put in 2 cups of water. Pour it right now so we don't burn.
Yay! Just in time.
I'll show you the back.
I'm going to add 2 more cups. I'm adding 4 more cups of water.
How many total?
6 cups
6.
of water.
So Danielle, what is your thoughts so far?
So far it looks good. I'm a little bit surprised by the rice. I wasn't expecting that in the soup, but I'm excited to see how it
We
turns
were going to
out.
put corn and then we decided to use rice.
And rice adds a little bit of flavor to it.
Chuck is a diabetic, so we have to watch his starches.
Oh, I see. So now this is diabetic proof.
Yes?
You got hyper,
Wow, that's
hyper.
wonderful. It's nice
Okay,
to
now
be
we
able to-
now let's put the cover on and let it simmer for a while, and then we can add the veggies.
Well, it's nice to be able to eat really healthy while we're out here cooking too.
Yeah,
It's
that's
like,
what most people don't eat
there's
healthy.
lots of hot dogs and burgers, but like a full, all fresh vegetables in the soup, that's unusual. That's a lucky.
Well, this one, we can't find what we're looking for. We really like to see sin because I stole is that a new? I found a recipe at ordering at a Chinese place, and they've been there for a long time, and I analyzed what they did, and Pat has named it Chuck Tin Tray. This one is going to be a tad bit short, I think like 7 or 8, okay?
I see.
This one will be completely vegetarian.
Oh, that's an added bonus too. Wow. And so now that we have all the ingredients in the pot, how long does it have to simmer?
Who's got a phone or a watch?
I do.
Are you collecting rocks?
448.
Huh?
448.
Okay.
I'm
Ladies.
trying my best to do them on you.
Go. You want to tell me what you have in here now?
I have bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, onion, and celery. Chicken bouillon cube, rice, and water. We added the mixed vegetables and cauliflower, and then we added 2 teaspoons of Paula's seasoning and a teaspoon of lemon pepper. And now we're going to let it boil for about 10 minutes, and we'll be ready to soup it.
Or one palm, right?
Oh yeah, one palm. That's the measuring unit.
We added the mixed vegetables and cauliflower, and then we added 2 teaspoons of Paula's seasoning and a teaspoon of lemon pepper. And now we're going to let it boil for about 10 minutes, and we'll be ready to soup it.
Or one palm, right?
Oh yeah, one palm. That's the measuring unit.
We have a sugar snap pea stir fry, sugar snap stir fry,
Cauliflower.
The stir fry has sugar snap peas, broccoli, green beans, yellow squash, red peppers, carrots, yellow peppers, and water chestnuts.
Great.
Some more bell peppers. And this is obviously cauliflower.
We're going to add these in. Danielle's going to add the cauliflower. And we're going to give it a stir and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and we'll be souping it.
Yay!
Who's hungry for soup?
I'm hungry.
I think I'm going to add a little bit more water. I added a cup. Now I think I'm going to add a little bit more. And a little bit more seasoning.
Okay, so this is the second kick.
I love that technique. She just pours it right into her palm of her hand.
Your grandparents used to do that.
That's right.
They didn't have measuring spoons.
Remember, that's one less
That's a
thing you
pizza.
have to carry. You don't need measuring spoons.
Right, not in the desert. Carrots, and some red and yellow and green maybe, bell peppers and celery.
Bell pepper, onion, celery,
Yeah,
and rice.
she added rice.
And then I added Worcestershire sauce,
Oh, Worcestershire sauce, yep.
salt, pepper, salt, pepper, garlic,
Lemon pepper.
lemon pepper. I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer because the rice is not quite done yet.
Camp food.
You can cook when you're camping.
Record.
Oh my gosh, look at this soup. It looks so good.
Smells good. Hope it
my
tastes
gosh,
good.
It smells so good. The rice looks so perfect and plump in the soup.
Yeah,
Excited.
the vegetables look good.
Yeah, it's nice and colorful.
Do we need a taster?
Would you like to taste? We need a taste tester.
Okay.
We have found a candidate as a taste tester. We will watch this subject very carefully for the next 36 hours. The soup is ready and is being served. We're slightly ahead of dusk, but hopefully they'll start showing up early. Go ahead.
Okay,
There's a nice color of vegetables, onions, and cauliflower just gives this an enormous color, and I wish you could experience the aroma.